Hello everyone. I need to say a few words. I created this YouTube channel 2013, which was 13 years ago exactly. At first I used it to organize my photographic stuff. And then years it just was sitting there. Then about 4 years ago I started to upload our traveling stuff. We traveled a lot and decided to make YouTube videos. Don't misunderstand, we did not travel to make videos. We traveled and made videos in the same time to share our adventure with friends and families. Our families living 3 different points of the world, so that was the easiest way to share with them. Then videography turned to be a big hobby of mine. Approximately the last 3 or 4 years, I uploaded every week minimum 1, sometimes even 2 videos. So 3-4 years, 1-2 videos a week, it ends up. I have close to 400 videos now on the channel, plus quite a few shorts. However, things changing. Things had been changed. I'm stuck in this house, which is I'm sitting at the front of it. I cannot get away more than 1-2 hours a day, or maybe 1-2 hours in the morning, or 1-2 hours in the afternoon, but it's not really enough for everything else. The weather is beautiful, Filipino summer is on, the sun is shining, and I'm stuck here with this guy. Hello. Hello. Look at this sweet. That is a really good thing actually. You bugger. Anyway, I'm stuck in the house. However, things getting better. Is everything running smooth? And I will update you later on how this construction or rebuilding or fixing up is going. Thank you for watching, and please come back. And see you in the next video. Last week I found a small kiosk just 10 minutes walk away, and I am going to challenge myself. Eat no more than 50 peso worth of lunch every day, 7 days a week. One side of the road, a kiosk. The other side of the road, a butcher shop and a vegetable store owned by the same family. A friend of mine is saying what they cannot sell in the butcher shop and the vegetable shop, they cook it and serving for lunch. But I not really care if it's cooked properly, and in my opinion, this is the best food recycling what you can imagine.
We are the global Canadian couple.
If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share. Want to join our next journey? Hit the bell so you never miss an update.